All right, let's send it over to meteorologist Sam Schreier. So it will be a little windy, but maybe a nice day to be out on the trail, Sam.
Well, and we had very strong downsloping winds through some of the mountains here. So like Woodland Park, we had Cheyenne Mountain over towards Manitou Springs, kind of hugging some of those slopes, those areas. The Air Force Base, our Air Force Academy, getting up around 30-mile-per-hour gusts this morning. Now, that is going to be kind of strongest a little bit later today down to the south, especially Los Animas and Baca County. And our relative humidities, while they're okay now, will fall even more. So if your hands have been feeling dry, it's this dry air that won't really break until tomorrow will be a little bit better, but really it's going to be a bit here. This is a dry week. 42 in the Springs, 26 showing up over Pueblo. Now you get out towards the east, we are seeing kind of a mix of 20s and 30s, and the mountains are a little bit better, but still those 20s are cold, especially through areas like Woodland Park. Now the wind speeds aren't really showing it through our sensors, but if you see those bluer contours wrapping around right into the border of Colorado Springs, so El Paso County Teller, that's where the wind is strongest, and it'll get a little bit breezier later today. Now mom and dad, the kids need just kind of layered items this morning. Pueblo is going to be colder in the morning, but you'll get warmer at the end of the day. So a coat that they can kind of strip off the outer layer would be a good idea because it'll be pretty nice at the end of the afternoon. Sunrise is 6:34, sunset is back to 5:50, and our highs today, 63 Canyon City, we're going 60 here in the Springs, 66 for Pueblo, out to the plains, 70 Lamar, 71 Springfield, and that's 54 showing up for Monument.